Hi, everybody. This is Chris Morentis again, and welcome back to this continuing Facebook strategy session. We're going to talk about strategy number 5, and this is geared just for local businesses. And this one is going to be real fun because it's going to be about designing your Facebook page, your landing page. And we have some really cool things to show you, including an application, a special Facebook application that we built. We spent the last 6.5 months building just for you. So let's get going. So number one, don't forget the primary goal of your Facebook page is to convert the traffic to someone that you have a relationship with, just like your website would be. You could actually set up Facebook now, not only to drive people to your website, but also to convert people at the Facebook page to a lead through different types of lead capture forms, as well as being a fan, where once they fan you, you can have an ongoing relationship with them as well. So there's a lot of different strategies. So some questions you need to answer before you start setting up your plan around your Facebook page. Who are you? Who are you, and what is your company about? What are you trying to do? What are you trying to get people to do? What do you want them to know about your business? Why should the user be interested in your company? They're on Facebook, okay? So they're searching, people are using Facebook now to search more for local businesses. And Facebook business pages are becoming more and more prevalent. So one of the things you want to do is, in the scheme of the people searching, and the idea of people searching, why should they be interested in your company at that particular time? So it's not that much different than a website, except this is another place where they're going to be searching for your information. So the other part of this is, you want people to fan your business, because you want other people they know to get to know your business as well, and it becomes more viral. So what do they get out of fanning your page? What are the things that are special, that make it unique to be a fan of your page? So not only do they fan your page, but they stick with being a fan of your page. And who else is in this community that you're in? Who are your competitors? Who are the people who are tangential from a local standpoint that so that you might want to take a look at what they're doing, and whether that's successful, and you might even want to cross promote in some ways. So the first thing that's important for you to do is to think about a call to action. Get your audiences to pay attention and then to engage. You could have images that indicate sort of the like button, or a banner that says, "Hey, like us," and get something in return for that. You could also have fillable forms that might help them request a quote, request more information. Get something from you. You could include downloadable materials as part of that. They could get a special ebook or whatever, and if they give you their information, just like you might do on your website. Now, the other thing too is you always want to write in the second person, to be approachable, to be friendly. This is a social, network, a social, environment that you're being part of, and you want to make sure that you're kind of taking and playing into that social environment. Use words like you and your to do that. Now, creating a Facebook landing page. It used to be that Facebook had its own what we call static FBML, Facebook markup language, and that's how they started doing these custom Facebook business pages, and they don't do that any longer. And I think that's really smart. It's big advantage to all of us as marketers, because now we could actually create custom landing pages using something called an iframe. And an iframe allows you to use standard CSS or HTML or JavaScript in order to create your page. So it gives you a lot of flexibility, a lot of things you could do. Think of it like a website. All the things you can do on your website, you can now do as a Facebook landing page. We use static iframe tab, and you could find a lot of different places to learn about iframes, tutorials on YouTube and other places. Here's an example of a website you can go to and see a tutorial on how to do an iframe application. And you're going to need to be somewhat of a coder to be able to do that. Alternatively, you could actually hire someone else to help you create that landing page. And that's what most small business owners do, because as you can imagine, doing code is pretty hard. It's a specialized talent. Now, there's a lot of different companies out there that have these, Facebook landing page programs that make it easy for you to do it or to hire someone to do it. And we have something that we've been working on the last 6.5 months and really excited to show you, called Surefire Social Simple. And what we really like about Surefire Social Simple is it's very intuitive, customizable. You could update things regularly, and it's really, really affordable Facebook marketing platform. But the really cool thing about it is it's local focused. We built this just for local businesses. So things like mapping and reviews and request to quotes and menu uploads and service areas, all these things that are important for local businesses have been built into it. The other thing too is that when you build the Facebook application, I'll show you this in a minute, you not only get the Facebook iframe landing page, but we actually mirror that on the web in a website, which has some real SEO benefits, because when you're just built on the Facebook platform in an iframe, it's not going to be crawlable. But when you replicate that out on the web we also allow you to do a permalink URL setting for it. It actually gives you a lot of SEO crawlability, and you can also drive links back into your Facebook page. And we also build you an HTML5 platform mobile page to make it really searchable on mobile and do some really cool things with some of the coupons and things that we have built into the platform. So it really helps you, because it's a local business, create a lot of detail around where you are, what you are, special offers, request to quotes, reviews, badges, recognitions, things like that, but also helps visitors understand who you are as a business. And again, the same landing page doubles as if you're a small business and you don't have a website yet, you could actually use this as your website, or do a link out to your regular website from this as well, and your mobile page. So it kind of looks something like this. This is a view of 3 different tabs that we give you when you buy Surefire Social Simple. And you get an About Us page, you get a library or a gallery, and you get a Contact Us page. And if you're the admin, you get a edit function. So you could edit all this stuff on the fly with no technical knowledge. So it gives the viewer a lot of information about your company and links and phone numbers, request free estimate in this case if you're a contractor. It could be you could customize your own special offer if you're a retailer or a retail type customer, badges and recognitions, reviews, all on that first page. Then the second page, a gallery, you have pictures, videos that you customize and update and change whenever you want. And then on the third page, you've got contact information that gives specifics around the services, the markets, and the service areas that you provide, and also request to quotes as well. So you get 3 pages built specifically for local businesses that give you multimedia, mapping, request to quotes, reviews, badges and recognitions, all the things that you're going to want. And it's all done, all organized for you, and you could change it and alter it and add whatever information you want in an easy to use administrative panel that we're showing you a little bit of it here, but it makes it really easy to change this, so you don't need to hire anybody to do this. One of the coolest things about Surefire Social Simple that we're really most proud of is you also get a listing in America's Best Local Businesses. It's the first small business, local business directory on Facebook, and it's tied to the social graph. You see an example we have here of a general contractor. It's not a real example, but you can see my picture here. It shows you how many people like this contractor, and it shows you pictures of people in your network who like the contractor. So now you go from reviews to also seeing people who are in your network, your social graph, who actually like businesses. So it gives you much more context if you're searching for a local business and a local service provider, who else in your network actually likes them as well. If you're interested, you can go to apps.facebook.com/Surefire Social, and you can actually see it and learn more about it and actually sign up to do it yourself. So the features of Surefire Social is you can update and customize your page without any technical experience. It's local focused, so you get the website, reviews, maps, the mobile marketing, all built in one application that's easy to change, and you get the listing in the only local, right now anyway, business directory on Facebook that's tied to the social graph. And it's effortless integration of pictures and video and reviews and badges and recognitions and menus and things like that that you're going to want to let people know about. And it lets friends connect to your business in a real special way. And by the way, you could push out promotions now to people who actually friend or like your business. So now there's a reason to like your business, because not only do you keep them updated on kind of cool information that's related to your business or service, but you could also push out special rewards to the people who like your business in a really, really automated way. And the cool thing about it is it's pretty inexpensive. So you get 3 custom Facebook pages, you get keywords and keyword optimization, and an HTML5 mobile website. And it's only for $27 a month. And by the way, if you're not happy after 1 month on this, we'll give you your money back, 30-day money-back guarantee. We're that confident this is going to be a really cool new marketing tool for your business. So action items coming out of this: check out Surefire Social. Simple. Just go to http://apps.facebook.com/Surefire Social, and you'll be able to check it out yourself and sign up for it if you want, or hire some other web developer to do the custom coding and iframing, the iframe application for you. Or there's a lot of other services I mentioned other than Surefire Social. Simple. And determine what your first call to action is going to be. What are you going to do to get people to engage in your content? Fan you, download a special ebook, do a request a quote, whatever that might be. So again, you can find us at surefiresocial.com and learn more about all of our services for local businesses. If you want to get a special visibility audit, an identity audit of how your business stacks up to competitors, in search, in social media, in local directories, and in pay-per-click, we have a special report that will walk you through. If you just go to surefiresocial.com/identity-audit, and we'll be in contact with you and set up a time and a go-to meeting and walk you through that and give you some ideas. The other thing is we always are blogging at surefiresocial.com/our-blog, and there's some great content to keep you up to date with things that are working right now in terms of SEO and social media and website conversion tactics. Or you can give us a call at the number here below in the below left, or email us at info@surefiresocial.com. And we'd love to help you with setting up your own Facebook landing page or whatever you might need in local business marketing. Thanks for joining us, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.